Welcome back to Kedre Tech. Today we're breaking down the biggest AI updates shaking up July 2025. If you're a developer, tech enthusiast, or just curious about AI's rapid evolution, this is for you. The pace of innovation is relentless, with next-gen models and new regulations changing the game. From rumored models with unprecedented reasoning to smarter developer tools, the ground is shifting fast. Governments are finally rolling out regulations that will shape AI's future. We'll cover what's new with OpenAI, Google, the latest regulations, and how your tools are getting smarter. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the hottest rumor, GPT-5.5. OpenAI is tight-lipped, but leaks suggest a massive leap in multimodal reasoning. Text, images, video, and audio all at once. Imagine an AI that can analyze a busy street in real time, predict hazards, and interpret sounds. True situational awareness. The new agentic architecture could let the model perform complex, multi-step tasks with real autonomy. This isn't just better summaries. It's about building cognitive partners that perceive and interact with the world. For developers, this could unlock applications in manufacturing, medicine, robotics, and creative tools. AI moves from a passive tool to an active collaborator. When's it coming? Rumors point to a limited developer preview late this year, with a public release in early 2026. OpenAI will likely start with enterprise partners to iron out safety and alignment issues. GPT-5.5 could mark a shift from generative to comprehensive AI, models that understand context more like humans. We're watching this closely. It could change everything. Again, you can't mention OpenAI without Google. Google's Gemini Ultra 2 is now deeply integrated across their ecosystem, no longer just a lab project. Google Cloud now offers AI-powered analytics and security, all driven by Gemini. For developers, Gemini Studio is streamlined, cost-effective, and packed with responsible AI features. Developers now have a real alternative to OpenAI, with choices in architecture and pricing. The competition is heating up, which means faster innovation and better prices for everyone. While GPT 5.5 gets the hype, Google's relentless integration is building a massive user base. By embedding Gemini into Workspace, Android, and Cloud, Google is playing the long game. The battle for AI dominance is a marathon, and Google's strategy is paying off. It's a classic platform play, executed very well. With rapid AI progress, regulators are stepping in, big time. This month, a global consortium announced tough new AI safety and regulation standards. The framework focuses on transparency, explainability, and clear labeling of AI-generated content. Data privacy rules are stricter, building on GDPR and giving users more control over their data. Bias and fairness audits will be mandatory, pushing developers to build more equitable models. Expect new tools for AI auditing and bias detection to emerge. Yes, compliance will slow things down, but it's a step towards safer, more trustworthy AI. Developers, bake safety, transparency, and fairness into your projects from day one. It's about to become the law. Let's talk about the tools developers use every day. AI coding assistants just got a major upgrade. We're moving from simple code completion to true pair programmers that understand your whole project. GitHub Copilot X now has project-wide awareness. Ask it about your code base, and it navigates and explains. Cursor AI's new auto refactor feature cleans up messy code and suggests improvements instantly. Replit Ghostwriter now debugs your code, analyzes errors, and proposes fixes with clear explanations. The common thread? Deep integration and contextual understanding. AI is now a core part of the development environment, not just a separate tool. Productivity gains are real. Tasks that took hours now take minutes. Developers can focus on solving real problems, not just debugging. 2025 is a fantastic time to be a developer. Let's zoom out. Africa's AI ecosystem is booming in 2025. Innovators across Lagos, Nairobi, Cape Town, and Accra are building AI for local challenges, like crop disease detection and financial services in local languages. This is homegrown tech, not just imports. Big tech is investing heavily. New labs, startup funding, and skilling initiatives are accelerating growth. Community groups like Deep Learning Indaba are building strong networks and sharing knowledge. More skills lead to more innovation, which attracts more investment. A powerful flywheel. Africa's rise in AI is about diversity and inclusion, ensuring global needs are met. Innovation is happening everywhere. Keep your eyes on Africa. That's a wrap on July 2025's biggest AI news. From GPT 5.5 rumors to Google's Gemini push, the AI arms race is on. And it's great for developers and consumers. Global regulation marks a new era of responsible, fair AI. Explosive growth in coding tools and Africa's AI scene shows how widespread this revolution is. AI is evolving on all fronts: models, tools, rules, and global innovation. We'll keep breaking it down for you. Subscribe for more. Comment below, which AI story surprised you most? Thanks for watching.